How to add company email to your Outlook account in mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily add your company email to your Outlook account. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. First thing you're going to have to do is download Microsoft Outlook from Google Play Store or App Store. And once you have the application, open it up. Here you have different options. You can either add account or create a new account. So if you already have your company account, you can just click on add account option. And from here, you're just going to go ahead and click on continue or skip, depending on your choice. And then here, you'll just have to provide your email. So enter your company email right here. And then if it is tied up with your Google account, you could just add Google account as well. Once you have added your company email or the email right here, what you can do is tap and continue again. A pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to choose from imap or POP3. In my case, this is not a company email, but if you are using a real company email, you're going to have to choose imap from those two and just enter your password. And you should be able to log into your Outlook from your phone. And that's how you do it. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one.